Hello everyone. Right now it's 2:05. Today is November 12th. I am down for my day trade and I will go through what I did today. Today is slow for me. A couple mistake, but luckily it's a positive. So the first trade I did is nugget, and according with my rule, once I am positive, I only gonna risk half of whatever the positive I bring in a positive R, I bring in half of it. So nugget is the reason why I get in is on the daily chart, it is being going down several days, and today is seems to me at that moment it's gap up yesterday above yesterday's high. It gap up on yesterday and it is a retest gap, so I'm expecting it to retest. So my thought on pre-market is it being sideways for a while, and this candle coming in at 9:30. So I start to set it up. I say if it go up and retest, I will get in with this candle right here. So it did. It go up and then go down, and then this candle right here. That's where I set up above this 76.35. That's where I set up a stop limit. I got triggered in according with my note. I got triggered in at 9:36, and I assume it's this candle. The, so and it works. It go on the sideway. It go on sideway, and it works. So I wasn't watching at that time, but then after few minutes I come back and take a look, and this candle forming, and all of a sudden it dropped pretty quickly, and it's forming, and I don't like it. I don't like it. The volume is pretty big, and now I look at it, it has a tail. However, at that moment I do not like that candle, but in hindsight now I look at it and say maybe that is a retest candle. But anyway, so I did get out the opening on next candle, because I was thinking it's gonna roll over. So as you can see, it retraced back to half of that, but I did get out at this candle right here, at 70, 76.50. So it's right here. That opening is, yeah, 76.50. That's where I get out. So it's very, very small R winning, maybe like a 0.03 R winning on this particular trade. So I'm not expecting to do the day trade anymore. So I was looking at other trade opportunity to set up a swing trade. Um, this is what I saw. CCMP. I try to set it up swing trade, maybe carry over tomorrow, because as you all know by now, I love this type of a trade. It's good earning, but the stock drop. Maybe it's a projection of the earning is no good. So I take a look on this one, and I like it. It is a good company and it pay dividends also. So I like that, and so I draw these line, and I was watching right here. Then this candle coming in, it is lower than previous this candle. So I end up taking it. This is very small volume stock. Trading volume very small. So I set it up above this candle. I get in at 160, 146.50. No, 146, 146.50. That's where my stop limit is, and my stop will be 145.16. 145, 145, 145.16. That's where, no, 145.50. That's where my stop is. My original plan is if it didn't stop me out today, I will carry over tomorrow. And so that's, but I did have a target. I also say that although I don't mind to carry over next day, but if it is a 2-to-1 ratio, if it today, if it hit my target at 148.50, 148.50, I don't mind to sell it. So although I was thinking about to do um, swing trade, but this particular trade end up to be a day trade. So it is a 2-to-1 ratio. So it turned out to be a day trade. So that is kind of an accident, but I will take it. That's one. The next one is RDFN. This one I set it up for in my retirement account. I want to get in my retirement account and maybe carry over next day. So I want to do the overnight trade, but end up to set up in the wrong account and then end up to be in the my trading account. So my setup was around here. I had come on, let's go back. Okay, I was looking at right around here because it's kind of a double bottom. So and then it break out and my setup was I want to play on the retest. So I have the setup at 43.87. Hmm. What did I do? Hold on one second, let me check. I don't think it's 43.87. It's not trigger. 43.89. 43.89. Did I get triggered in this candle? So I guess I got triggered in this candle. The low of this candle got triggered in, and since it is I check and I was looking at my retirement account, Roth IRA account, and I didn't see the position, so I went in and check it at the trading account, and it was there. So I immediately closed it out because, like I say, I do not want to turn it the green to red. So I closed it, and luckily it was a positive green. So I did not violate the rule. But I did close out my leads, part of my leads. I have two contracts on RDFN, and I got in at this candle right here. When it is dropping, um, I set it up and I bought it. And when it dropped lower, I bought some more. And the expiration is 20 January 21. So next year, January expiration. So they both turn into profit. One of them turned into profit yesterday, and both of them turn into profit today. So since it retraced pretty quickly, I look Fibonacci, and okay. So the this morning it is about, wait a minute, retracement. I think it's about 50% retracement. So I just basically close out one position, and we should see the next position what's happening. So this particular trade, I bank about 1 hour, and other that's a swing trade about 1 hour, and other day trade I think is like a 0.2 hour on that. So yesterday was a bad day. I didn't day trade it, but a lot of my hedge it's stop out. So I close out a lot of hedge because it stopped me out. So the SDS I got stopped out with about 1 hour on swing trade. So is the SPXS, same thing, about 1 hour. And as you can see, yesterday was not a good day. The last one is SQQQ, and it was about yesterday's low. So all those three, I got stopped out for about 3 hours yesterday, and plus today, that I have a green day. So little by little, I will stack that wood, and we shall see what's gonna happen. That's all for me today, and I hope you all have a great evening. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.